Hello, everyone. Happy St. Patty's Day. Come on and let's have our circle time. Let's stand and say the Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand over our heart. Eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. Well, happy St. Patty's Day to everyone, preschool. It is the 17th day of March, and that means it's St. Patrick's Day. There's our little fella. He's a wee man. He's a leprechaun. Let's see if he plays any tricks at your house. He can be very naughty. Let's figure out what day of the week it is. Are you ready to sing with me? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Let me hear ya. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Louder. Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right. And today is the 17th day. It is Tuesday, March 17th, 2020. What kind of weather do we have outside? We predicted sunny weather, and where I'm sitting, it looks pretty sunny. That was a great prediction. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Oh, I heard somebody say cloudy. Go ahead and move our cloudy into our prediction square. And we'll go ahead and predict that. All right, is everybody ready to say our alphabet? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Can we do a wee little voice to count to 20? You want to talk like this? And we'll count to 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Get those wee voices loud. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, leprechauns. I heard you. You had great wee little voices. Now we're counting back from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Today I'd like you to count 2 times from 10 to 1. Count with mommy or daddy or grandma or brothers or sisters. But I want you to do it twice today, okay? Let's see here. Looking for a color. I'm looking for something that is gray. Can you find something that's gray? Where is it? There are those gray elephants. Wonderful. How about something brown? Can you find something brown? There it is. Yummy chocolate. Oh, I do love chocolate. How about some shapes? Let's do shapes. Can someone find a circle? Where's the circle? Is this the circle? No, that's an oval. But right here's the circle, and what color is it? It is green. Great job. How about the star? Do you see the star? Where is that star? Right here. And what color is that star? Yellow. Wonderful. How about if we sing our shape song? Want to sing that together? Here we go. Oh, after this ad. 2, 1. There we go. You're going to sing it with me? Here we go. Shapes have names and angles and lines. There are flat shapes and solid shapes. We see them all the time. Are you dancing? Get up and dance. It's what we like to do. Here we go. Say it. Circle. Circle. Square. Square. Triangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Rectangle. Oval. Oval. Diamond. Diamond. Heart. I can't hear you. There you go. And lines, there are flat shapes and solid shapes. We see them all the time. I want you to say it too. Shape, name, game, that is what we like to do. Very good. Nice job, friends. All right. How about if we do our nursery rhyme together? Is everybody ready to read it together? Here we go. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. I heard that Abby and Hannah really enjoyed this nursery rhyme. Let's watch the video together. There are those cute little rabbits. There they are.
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, dropped it, dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little boy picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Tasket, green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little girl picked it up and put it in her pocket. A tisket, a tasket, I lost my yellow basket. I dropped it, dropped it. Now won't you help me find it? My basket, my green and yellow basket, my green and yellow basket. Now won't you help me find it? Won't you help me find it? Won't you help me find it?
Excellent. We do love that nursery rhyme. Cute little bunnies. All right. Who can remember? What's that big coin right here? What is this one called? A quarter. Excellent. How about this one? A dime. And then how about this one that has that brown coloring to it? What one is that? Penny. Awesome. And this one right here, what is this one? A nickel. Great job. You guys are doing a great job today. How about we take a look at some numbers? What number is this? 8. Yes. How about this one? 1. Perfect. How about this? What is this number? 7. Yes. This one? 6. Yes. And how about this? I heard you. That's right. It's 4. This one? 3. How about here? 2. Wonderful. And this one? Yes, 5. All right. Our letter this week is the letter M. Rub your tummies and let me hear that sound. Wonderful. That's the sound that M makes. Here we have Moana, and we have Mickey Mouse, and over here we have Captain Marvel. All start with M. Let's sing about where we start our letters.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you'd better remember to
Start it at the top. You ready to sing it? Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Here we go. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go.
Is this the top?
No, it's the
Bottom.
bottom.
Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top?
It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Let me hear Oz. Ah. Sing it.
Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach up and touch the top. Reach down.
Way
Is that the
down.
bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach down and touch the bottom.
Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Reach up.
Top, bottom.
Shake it in the middle. Up,
Top,
bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Let me hear Oz. Ah. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go.
Is the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top? Yes.
It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
Move to the rhythm.
All right, good job. Okay, we're going to make the letter M. My turn. So your hands are in your lap. Your listening ears are on. Inside voice is off. My turn. I'm going to grab the big line down. I'm going to grab the big slide down. Big slide up. Big line down. Ready? My turn. Hands in lap. Listening ears on. Inside voices off. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big slide up. Big line down. It's tricky because it has 2 lines and 2 slides. Let's do it together. Fingers at the... Good job at the top. Here we go. Big line down. Frog jump up. Big slide down. Big slide up. Big line down. Awesome job. Let me hear what sound M makes. Wonderful. All right, my friends. That is the end of our circle time, but I'll see you in a little bit to read you a story about a leprechaun. Oh, he's a wee man, and wait until you see the trouble he gets into. See you soon for story time.